Okay friends, so as you can see this on the important notification from the YouTube to we fill up the text form. As you can see, we already got the email from the YouTube. Also, if we go to the AdSense account, you can see here the manage text information. So we need to fill up the text form to update our text information. If we didn't fill up this form, Google have rights to cut our revenue 24 to 30%. So we are going to manage the text information. This one actually basically I'm filling. My previous video is based on the Malaysia. So this video I am going to show you how we can fill up the text form for the Pakistani residents and then India, Bangladesh, Nepal, all. So I'm just going to show you here how we are going to fill up this form, because this one is the quite different than Malaysian form. I fill up the Malaysian text treaty form. I selected the no because Malaysia is not treaty with the US. So Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, and Nepal is text treaty with the US. So this one is a bit different. That's why I am making another video for the Pakistani residents and then mostly the our neighborhood, all everything. So we start our video. Click the manage text information. Then as you can see here the notification add text information. So we just click the add text information. Once we click already the text information, here is asking the sign in your email, the AdSense account. So what your AdSense email you are using for the channel. Sometimes the people using the two email, the AdSense is different email and then channel is different email. So you need to confirm your email, the AdSense email, and verify it. So I just already put here the email and then password. Just click the next. After confirming our email, you can see here the now is asking your account is individual or business, non-individual. So my account is individual. I just select the individual, then click the next. Then are you a citizen or resident of the United States? So I'm not the US citizen. I just select no, click next. Then here is most important, the you can select the there is two option. If you have the business account, you need to select the bottom one, W8ECI. If you have the individual account, you need to select the W8BEN. So my account is, as you can see here, the individual. So I select the top one, W8BEN. I select that one and then start W8BEN form. So here you can see the account detail, account holder name already appear here. This account is belongs to my friend, so I just help him to fill up the form. Habibur Rahman, his name. And then now you second option is select your citizenship. So you need to select the citizenship. Of course he's from the Pakistan, so I select the Pakistan. And then mostly people confuse here the foreign tin. What is the foreign tin? The foreign text information. So actually this one belongs to your ID. Is we research on the Google, so we can put here our ID card, CNIC card, for the Pakistani residents, CNIC card. If you are in the India, you can use here the PAN card number. So I just using here the CNIC number. So we put our CNIC number without dash or without any space. Once we done already the put the CNIC number or PAN card number, just click the next. Then now here is asking you the address. If you are confusing in the address, you click the payment method and then open in the new tab You can see here I open in the new tab. So you can see here the manage settings. You click the manage settings. Then here you can get your address. All address you can get here. You just copy paste. Then easily you can put there. Just copy. Paste here. Again. Paste. So very easy. Because we cannot make the mistake on our address after we getting the trouble during the confirmation. Okay, we select the postal address same as permanent residence address, so we no need to fill up again. Then select the next. So here is the most important thing. Our Pakistan and India, Bangladesh is treaty tax with the US government. So we select the yes. If we select the no, we need to submit the additional information to provide, and then they have rights to cut your 30% tax. So we just select the yes. So we are not going to pay 30%. Only we can pay the 30% on US revenue. If we get the from the US, supposed to be, we just for the example, if we earning from the YouTube US views $100, then YouTube have rights to cut the 24 to 30% from the US revenue. If we fill up already this form, so they have rights only to cut the revenue from the US views, not from the all over the world. So we just select the check yes, then select the country Pakistan. Our country is tax treaty with the US. Now we need to select the article. So here you select the article number 3 and paragraph number 2. Then select here the 0. Then checkbox. Then another, select the no treaty tax for the income type. Then select 30%. Then checkbox. Then another paragraph, article number 8 and paragraph number 1. Then 0. So this one is the basic information for the our tax for the mostly Pakistan and Indian residents. So check box, select next. Now you can see here the preview of our file we already fill up. So I just confirm, then click the next. Once we click the next, here is asking your signature. So signature is you put your full name. So we put our name as per our ID. Then you select the yes, I am the person listed in the signature. We select this one. Then click next. Now here is asking the tax identity. So you just select no. Then check box. Now here is another thing asking the have you received payment from the Google. So tax information, if you hasn't received the payment from the Google, you select on the top. If you already received the even one payment from the Google, you select the bottom one. So he didn't get any payment from the YouTube, so we just click the top one, then click the submit. So as you can see here, already fill up the all form, and then tax information also, the claimed, then form is approved. If we go to our email section and then we check our email, you can see here we already got email from the Google AdSense, and then your tax information has been approved. Then view tax information. Actually, I already made the video on the tax form, but that one all based on the Malaysian residents, and then who is stay in the Malaysia, that one is different form. So my previous video, you can see here the tax information is don't have, because the Malaysia government is not treaty tax with the US. So our Pakistan is tax treaty with the US government, so we can claim the tax, and then we can reduce our tax rate, and then 0%. We are not going to pay any tax to YouTube. So this video is made for the only India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal residents, because these countries are US tax treaty with the US. Hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with the new update. Thank you.